This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying admin access and selecting a theme. This is where you act. Once logged in, go straight to online store themes and upload or install from the theme store. Make sure to add the theme to your library rather than publishing immediately so you can iterate safely. While installing, enable the developer or preview mode if present, because you will need live previews. After upload completes, open the theme editor to begin structured customization. Don't publish until core settings are done. Now you focus on the detailed middle work. Global settings first because they cascade site-wide. Change colors, fonts, and spacing to match branding. Once done, configure header and footer for navigation and legal links. Then build homepage sections, hero, featured products, and testimonials so you can preview layout at scale. Make product and collection templates next, attaching relevant app blocks or meta fields. As you modify, use the preview pane and device toggles to validate responsive behavior before moving toward finalization. Finish by validating the entire checkout flow, mobile responsiveness, and analytics events. You must confirm transactions and pixels fire correctly. Once satisfied, publish the theme and watch real user behavior for 24-72 hours, tracking speed and errors. If something breaks, first reproduce the issue locally, inspect the browser console for JS errors, and revert to the unpublished copy if urgent. Make incremental fixes, test again, and only then push updates. Always keep a backup theme copy to roll back quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.